telling you, you might want to paint it. And you can get fairly cheap black acrylic paint as a base coat. So, to do that, you'll want like a small brush for getting in the little nooks. Like just when you're going in between here and like just in the corners of stuff. It's quite difficult with something larger. And you'll want probably a sponge, or this thing is basically a sponge on a stick. It's a bit wet just now, you can see the water on it. But that's quite good for not having brush marks so much on it. Right, here is one that I was doing before. I've painted it. It's not entirely dry yet, but we might be able to do something with it. There's some little bits of fluff stuck to it somehow, but that's fine. Don't worry about that, because you can get rid of that pretty easily. So that's what you'll have. And then you will want the silver paint, which I don't know where I put. Oh my goodness. Professionalism. Yay. Hang on a minute. I should have some here. Okay. Where's that one? Haha, silver paint. Silver paint. Right. Okay, this is also acrylic, by the way. I don't know if this badge is meant to be silver. I've forgotten what the picture looked like when I was choosing. But I'm going to say that is the colour it is going to be. So that's what we're going to do it. Alright. Hopefully this is dry enough that it'll be okay. Now, usually I like dry brush them, but I don't really want to do that this time. So I'm going to just blob some silver onto it, I guess. Hang on, get one of these sponges that I had before. I need to dry it out a little bit, hang on. Highly professional drying on my trousers. Right, okay. And then dab a bit on it, and then dab a lot of that off. Let's see, what's that look like? Let's have a look here. Do that. Yeah, let's try that on it. Let's try that. I'll just put it here. Hopefully you'll be able to see okay. Let's dab it on. There we go. I haven't dried it off a lot. So quite a lot is going on. And it's quite wet as well, because the sponge was a little bit wet. Don't really worry about going into the corners right now. You can decide how much you want to go into the corners later. Right now it's just about getting a basic colour on it and seeing what it looks like. There we go. Now probably that would need going over a few times, but essentially you've got your comm badge. See, it's a bit bubbly with the dampness, but that'll go away as it dries, and that's you. That's it. So if you do make this, give me a shout, tell me how it went, tell me if you've got any ideas about how to do it a different way, possibly. But all in all, that's us. So thank you for watching, and bye.